2, 3, and 4. Turn round, 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 round. Jump, jump, hop, hop, and hop.
Those ducks. Where are we? Everything looks turned upside down.
Is that better? Ha! Gin!
Gin? What does that mean, huh?
It means I won! Gin! What a disaster! Feathers up! Feathers up! Why don't you look outside?
Penny, the map is essential. We're, here, Canada. The route's right. We're headed north. Nothing will detain us.
What's happening?
Wow, now that was sure loud.
Something's trapped us. We're trapped? Here? Forever?
You've got wings, right? You can fly wherever you want.
No reason for panic. We're just stuck.
What a jerk!
What happened?
Did we get a flat tire?
Everything's fine. We've just gotten a bit stuck, that's all.
Stuck? Don't panic. It's not dangerous. Well, since we're all here...
Well, actually, not exactly everyone.
The ducks! Hey, gals. You all good down there? Fine. Couldn't be worse. Our bath salts, we lost all of it.
We've got a problem.
A big one. Where on earth can we find bath salts?
What I meant was the engine.
It won't be easy to untangle.
Broken down engine.
We need to remove the tree branches to evaluate the damage.
I'll go and fetch a lever.
A lever? He wants to be helpful, that's all. It doesn't seem serious to me, but I can't really say.
See you later. We have a job to do.
Hey, girls, don't you want to help us?
You don't need our help.
We got to fill up our bathtub. We don't have any more bath salts.
Yeah, but there's a lot of salt water nearby.
The ocean!
Let's go. Breathe in, flap, breathe out, flap.
Flap, breathe in, breathe out, flap, flap, breathe in, breathe out, flap.
Diana, it's breathe in, flap, breathe out, flap. Not flap, breathe in, flap, breathe out.
You're not telling me how to pace, are you?
I suppose it's better not to have them flying in our way. What's wrong, Humphrey? Calm down, take a deep breath, and try to mime the word. 2 words.
Yes, the mime game. I want to play too. A worm.
A fish?
A stuffed bird.
A lightning rod.
Is it a tree?
Yes, exactly. A tree. A fish in a tree.
A fish in a tree? Impossible!
Well, flying fish do exist, but,
I saw it with my own eyes. It was suffocating.
If Humphrey's right, we can't waste time.
Feathers up.
All right then, feathers up.
We'll be back soon, Penny.
Wait here, don't leave.
No, I'll be enjoying a dip in the ocean.
This way!
Straight towards the fire.
See, as I told you. Parbleu!
For all the crows.
Humphrey's right. There really is a fish in the tree.
Let me correct you. I'm not a fish, but a mammal.
So you're also a mammal?
Yep, I'm a dolphin, and my name's Dylan.
I thought that the only flying mammals were bats.
So did I.
Dolphins can't fly.
Hey, maybe he wants to learn.
No, I don't want to, because water is my element. I was happily swimming about when I got into a sort of big bucket tied to an airplane that pulled me out of the water. It carried me over the land, over the woods. Then it dumped me here with the water. And now I'm stuck here.
It must be a Canadair.
A plane that humans use to put fires out.
Marvelous experience for a dolphin.
Gosh, as if I had to plunge underwater.
Excuse me, as you're all good at flying, why don't you help me get back to the water, huh? I'm starving and getting a bit too dry.
The fire is also getting closer and closer. We've got to move.
I'll take him. Oh my, you're incredibly slippery.
Yeah.
We've got to hurry.
I smell perfume of fire.
We got to figure it out really fast. Let me think. I remember a kid playing in the park. He'd catapult pebbles on a pond with a strange thing, a forked stick with an elastic band. I think they called it a sling. I've got it! Yes, we'll use the tree!
The tree?
Dylan, the water's not that far from here, is it?
No, it's right over there.
Willie, do you think you can turn this tree into a sling? I think I know what you mean. A sling, a catapult, or maybe a catapulting or a slingapult. Okay, birds and mammals, here's my idea.
Swimming mammal colleague, don't you worry. They know what they're talking about.
I really hope so, flying mammal colleague.
With an easy calculation, I've estimated that we need a force able to send Dylan at a speed of 80.2 miles per hour with a 72-degree inclination towards northeast. He'll reach the water in 27 seconds with a perfect trajectory. Thanks for the explanation, Willie, but how long do we have to pull this thing?
I feel I'm fainting.
Matt, get off my tail, please. You're rifling it.
Okay, hold it. Almost there. Don't move.
Quick, or there won't be a sling anymore.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let it go, Floyd!
Thank you!
Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, I'm so exhausted. I think I'm seeing a mirage. I think we better go back now.
Breathe in, flap. Breathe out, flap. Breathe in, flap. Breathe out, flap.
The beat, Diana. Here we are, all ready.
The engine's ready also.
Oh, everything's fine. Perfect.
I never worried.
All's well that ends well.
And that fire was finally put out, too.
Was there really a fish in the tree?
No, a mammal, not a flying one like Nat. It was a swimming non-fish.
I think he means a dolphin.
And we saved him in an adventurous way.
With a bright idea and a perfect calculation.
For a second, I thought it might not succeed.
But it did, and that's what matters.
What is most important is to always brush your teeth.
Recent update from Canada is that on the northern coast of Vancouver today, a Canadian Navy vessel spotted an unidentified flying object. First thought to be a missile, it was later determined that it might be a dolphin, which after a short flight through the air found itself in the sea. Zoologists and scientists are working to describe this event. A flying dolphin?